Welcome to the All That in Denson YouTube channel. My name is Randall Denson, and today I'm going to share with you how to draw a mouth. But before we get started, would you please so kindly tap that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also tap that bell for notifications. First, you're going to draw a horizontal line and a vertical line through that horizontal line. And you're going to draw 3 circles, 2 on the bottom, splitting that horizontal line, and 1 over the top, right between those 2 circles. Next, you're going to draw 2 small U's above and below that top circle, and then you're going to connect the bottom lip by drawing a small arc around the 2 circles connecting the corners of the mouth. Next, draw 2 subtle arcs from the top U down to the left and the right corners of the mouth. Now, to separate the lips, we're going to use these 3 circles to guide us. Use the top of that right circle to create the right side of the lip, and then flare it up and repeat it for the left side. I'm going to use this time to darken my lines a little bit. Here's a unique trick to make these lips look a little more realistic. We're going to use these circles for our guides. You're going to draw a line on the right side of that top circle. You're going to darken up and draw lines on both the bottom right and the bottom left circles. Now for the bottom lip, from right to left, you're going to follow those guidelines and you're going to draw small scribbly arcs all the way from right to left. Then repeat that same technique for the top lip. Now blend in both the top and the bottom lips. And last, we're going to make these lines a little more solid and darken them a bit. And we're going to shade above the lip to give it that lip look. So shade in the middle and both the right and the left. And for the final touch, just erase a little bit of that bottom lip and a little bit of the top lip to give it a glare. Make that lip look shiny. And that concludes today's tutorial on how to draw a mouth. If you enjoyed this video, why don't you tap that like button and also hit that bell for notifications to be notified about future tutorials just like this. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial. I really appreciate you taking the time. Have a blessed day.